General air conditioning and plumbing has an amazing benefit that we offer to all of our clients, new and existing. We offer free second opinions. What does that mean? That means if you had another company out and they looked at your system, looked at your electrical, plumbing, heating or air, and they made a recommendation, gave a diagnosis, and you would like a second opinion, we don't charge for those. We'll come out and we'll confirm the diagnostic, or we will tell you we disagree, and we will show you why we disagree. As I like to tell our technicians, you have to provide proof. You have to provide proof of the failure or the potential failure. So it's something we like to do. It's something we can do to help the customer out. There's absolutely no charge for it. You just got to call our office. And how you do that is pick up the phone, you dial 760-343-7488. The other great thing is you can always book online with us. You can go to our website, which is www.callthegeneral.com. On there, there's an area where you can book. Click into it. If you don't like to talk to people, we're the company for you, because you can click on that link, go in there, you'll see our available appointments, and get yourself booked. Now, we love talking to our customers and potential customers, so you can give us a call too. 760-343-7488 is that number. We have a team here in Thousand Palms that will take your call and get you scheduled. Now, I will tell you, if you're somebody who doesn't like to talk to people and you go online and you click that button, book here, there may be appointments available if you call us that aren't available in that portal, okay? So if you see a time that doesn't work for you and you want to book online, give us a call. We're here, we'll help you out, we'll get you taken care of. Tell them you need a second opinion, you had XYZ company out and they told you that XYZ was wrong or needed to be fixed or replaced. We will send a technician out and we will confirm that diagnosis. And if we don't agree with it, we'll tell you what we do agree with and why.